out. This is my Google Doc advanced project. So now let me explain the task. So first I am supposed to create a Google Doc with 3 pages, and in the first page write the learning objectives of that chapter. So now let me go to Google Doc, and I have created the pages like whatever it is mentioned in the project. So before that, let me explain like how I have just given the color and this table like border I have given. So let me open here doc, and here, so here now let me just go to file and then click on page setup. So your pop-up window comes up. Here the margins can be set here, and then let me get the page color. So let me select one color and then click on OK. So this is how the page color is given, and I want to have a border kind of thing. So I have to just go to insert and select the table, and let me select only one cell and let me enter the thing. So I can extend, and then let me fill the color for this. Go to the background color, and then whatever the color you want, you can just fill it, and then click on this borders, select on borders, and here the border will be selected, and then you can just give the border color for that. So it's already black, so whatever the color you want, you can just give it, and then you can just click on the border weight, like I'll just give it 4.5. So you can just see the border weight is also given. So this is how I have done for my project. So here let me just explain this thing later. Let me come to the first page where I have to enter the learning objectives. So I have just choose the topic as computer networking, and I have given the learning objectives for this. So describe, and at the end of the chapter, like the students will be able to describe and analyze the hardware software components of the network and the interrelation, and manage multiple operating system software, network service and security. So I just listed out some learning objectives. So this was the first task for me. And in the second page, explain the topic with necessary information. You can add images, drawing, link to some sites, and with extra information about the topic, link to some videos also, understanding a particular topic of a chapter. So now let me go to the Google Docs. So this was my first page, and let me go to the second page now. So this is my second page where I have choose the topic as network topology. So here I have just given the information about the network topology, and I have added some images here. You can just see 2 images I have added, and again this like I have given the background color, and finally page color I have given, and this is the table. I have used the table one cell, and I have given a fill color. You can just see the fill color what I have chosen. So I have just choose this color, and then if I want to give you a page border for this, I have to select this. And then the page border, like I can just select whichever the color I want. I have just choose to black, so let me make it as 4. So you can just see the border weight is given for this. So the same thing I can do it for all the table. Now I have just given like 2 images, so you can just see these are the 2 images. So if I want to just upload the image, I have to just go to insert, and then I have to upload the image from the computer. So I'll do it in another new document. So let me go to the insert. Just click on image. You can just upload from computer, or you can just search from the web. So now let me upload from the computer, since I have already like given over here. Let me select it. So this is how we have to upload the image. Now let me come to this. So this I have uploaded here, and here you can see this is the drawing. So since like I have given like the network topologies, the 5 type of network topologies is displayed here. I want to just add one more type, that is a hybrid topology. Since I don't have that image, I have just drawn this. So if I have to draw, I have to click on insert, and then I have to just select drawing, and here I have to just draw. So this is how I have to do. So now what I will do is like I'll just open here like a untitled document. So here I'll just open one new doc. Here I have just selected the shape rectangle. So this I have given, and then I have just selected the shape like circle, and I have given the fill color for this. So here you can just see I have just selected the fill color for this, for each and everything. Let me select this. You can just see I have given this color, and even for this shape, like I have given the fill color. So you can just see the color I have selected. Now let me do like a few things. So I'll just copy it, I'll paste it. So I'll just drag it here. So this is how I did my drawing the hybrid topology. I did it like this. Then I have to just select the line and then I have to connect it. So, and if I want to just change the line color also, I can just do it. So after doing everything, then finally I have to just save and close it. So this will be displayed over a page. So this is how I have done. So let me go to my Google Doc page. So let me just close it. So this is how I did my hybrid topology. And here for this I use the text. So in the drawing you can just see, I'll go back here, like insert drawing. So here I used the shape and everything, and to just give that hybrid, I have to just click on the text and I just typed as like a hybrid topology. So this is what I did. So now let me come back here. And here I have given some link. So one is like a related link. It is all the website link, and here the video link I have just given. So for this I have to create a table. I went to insert and selected the table, and this 2 by 1 I just selected. So this is what the 2 by 1 I have selected. So now I'll show you in another document. So let me go here, insert table, and then I selected this. So you can just see, and I can just enter. So this is how I did. And I have given the fill color for this. So I just selected the first row fully, and then I went to the fill color and I selected this. So this is how I have done for all the rows. And I have just given the link. So now let me do one. Let me remove this. I remove this, and now let me go to one side and copy this URL. Let me copy it, come back here, and then let me click on the link and paste the link here, and I have to give a text for this. So let it be network, and then I have to click on apply. So I have done this, and here I have just changed the color for everything. So let me go to this text, and I have just given it as hello. So this is how I have just given, and now this are the link for the URL address, and this is only I have given for the video. So now let me just click on this. You can just see the link is displayed. So it will be taken to the video display. So and then let me stop this, and then now let me take this related link. So let me click on this and click on this address. So here you can just see it is taken to the network topology information where it is present. So now let me close this all. And then, so this is how I have given the link and the video link. The images are also added, and the information about the network topology is added over here. And the third one, let me come to the third page. So the third task was I have to just add some assessment exercise like MCQ and related to that topic. So here I have given some MCQ. So you can just see some questions I have given, like all MCQ questions related to the network. So here the combination of 2 or more networks are called, and options I have given, and the answer I have just selected, and I have given like a color for this, a different color for this. So this was the third page. It was the assessment page. So I have given this. Then now let me share this file. Okay, I'll do it at last. Now I have to add table of contents to show that what all you will learn in the chapter. So table of content I have given in the beginning. So now let me go here. I have just given in the first page. So this is my table of content. And now I'll just remove the whole thing. All the content I'll just remove it. So let me select this and right click on this and delete the table of content is there. I have just removed it. And before that what I have done is I have just given all the topic. All the topic I have selected, and I have just made it as heading 1. So all the topic, computer networking and topology, this also I have just made it as heading, and the next one like assessment also I have just given as heading 1. So now let me go back, and here let me keep the cursor and go to insert, and you can see table of content and which format you want, like you have to select the format, and it has been present here. So here you can just see the link automatically it is present. So now the table of content this side on. So let me remove this, and then I will just keep it. So now if I have to click on this, it will be taken to the computer networking. Now let me click on this network topology. It will be taken to the particular chapter. So this is how the table of content is given. So now let me see the next task. Add images, hyperlink, table and drawings we have done. Use indentation, formatting and page border, page color, etc. So that also we have done. And use explore feature, then keep notepad tool. So now let me show the format content. So let me select this, and here I have just given the alignment as justify, and then the line spacing I have just given as 1.15, and if I want any numbered bullet or anything I have to use it, and I can just give the indent. So let me select this again, let me select this, and then this is a decrease indent and this is an increase indent. So let me give this increase, you can just see the difference, and now let me give the decrease indent. So this is how I have to use it. Now I have to just go for the explore. So here there are two ways of just opening the explore. You can just see here one is over here. I can just click on this explore, or else I can just go to the tools and just select the explore. So this way also I can just select, and here in the search I'll just type like network. So you can just see the details related to the network is being displayed. So this is how I have to explore. The next one was keep notepad tool to add some information which you have saved on keep. Okay, so let's go to Google Docs Advanced, and then let me go to the page, and here finally I have to go to tools and then click keep notepad. So already the content are over here, whatever I have typed in the key. Here what I will do is, I will just, so if I want this information over here, let me drag it and place it. So this is how I can do it. So you can just see the information. So now let me take this and put it over here. So you can just see how it is placed, the keep information. So now let me remove it. So this is how we can use the keep. So whatever the information you want to add from keep, you can just add it. Now let me go here. The last one is add a header footer to your document. So now I have just given the, you can just see I have given the header over here. So let me go here. I have to go to insert and then header and page number. I have just selected the header. Here again, like I have given the table, I have selected the table and I have entered the text over here. After entering the text, I have just selected this text, and then I went to the text color and selected the highlight, and here I have just given this color. Now if you want, you can see I am just selecting this green, so you can just see how I have changed it. So this is how I have enhanced my this title. And if I want to give you a photo over here, let me go to insert and then select the header and then select the footer. Here let me type, already I have given the page number, so let me give some PS something, and then let me click this whole content, and then let me move to the left side. So page number, there should be a space. So then let me delete this page number, and then I have to go to insert, then header footer, then page number I can select it. So here let me give this option. So now the page number is done. So let me move to this right. So this is how I have given. So you can just see how like it is given. So let me move to this center. That's it. So this is how I given the header, footer and the page number. Hope I have just explained everything. All the task is explained. Share the, and finally I have to share the file. Okay, let me go to this and click on share, and then I have to enter the so let me select this, and then whatever the option like can edit or can comment or view only, I have to select it and then send it. So this is a share with one person. So this is how I have to share it. Hope I have just explained on the task.